Hi friends, welcome to Graphic Teacher channel. In this lecture, we are going to make realistic fire effect in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to create different shapes in a fire effect. So let's get started. No matter what configuration you have, this error come at least once while you practicing this effect. So don't worry about this because I'm using high configuration with the license version. Still, I got this error at least 3-4 times. If you're not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for never miss any update from Graphic Teacher.
Graphic Teacher.
I'm going to take Full HD canvas size. Background color, I will make it little darkish purple background. Alt Option Delete to fill a background color. Create new layer, keep it blank and go to shape layer. You have to click on path because this effect apply on path. I want a heart shaped path. Pressing the Alt, Shift, proportional and go to P. I want heart little roundish. Okay. So the path is ready and magic is here. Go to filter, go to render, go to flame. Your fire is ready. This is already setting I have used on my last project. So I show you one by one. This is custom and we can go to flame type. I just show you 3 multiple flames, one direction, a real fire effect comes up. First, I make it all values 0. This is high in quality. You can make it according to your preference. Length, check the length first. This is going to upward direction. I wanted in width also, so I increase the width size because I want realistic fire. This is too much. Lower. See now the heart is burning. Little lower. See now this is looking realistic fire and you can change the angle, which angle you require. This angle is going to right upward. You can check, you can change the intervals. Intervals means density of your fire, how much fire you want. If you increase the intervals, your density of fire become lower. You can animate this fire also. You can change the amount and check which kind of effect you like for your design or project. Now this is fine for me. Okay, it is rendering now. Speed of the machine, it take time accordingly because heavy graphics, so it is taking its own time. See, just click it outside and have a look. This is what real fire is. You can make it any shape. I take one more copy. Shape tool. These are all default shapes which comes with Photoshop. I'm going to animal, take kangaroo. Kangaroo because just Australia gone through with a wildfire very badly, and lots of wild animals including kangaroos are died. Going to filter, render and flame. I'll make it a little smaller. See, and in this advance you can control the turbulence, jag, opacity, complexity, flame alignment, violent and pointing. How wind is reacting, wind speed. Let's see the jag. See, zero jag. Just check the difference, and this is jag, this is jag. Means, see, you can change the opacity. If you want to lighten the fire, increase the opacity. Flame lines. See, this is complexity. See, this is depend on how complex fire you like it. Flame bottom alignment means bottom side, bottom alignment won't disturb much. See, this bottom alignment, if you increase the amount, the fire is going also downside. See, and if you decrease the amount, fire is controlled from downside. Look at the difference. See, okay. Then how violent? This is too violent. You can keep it normal. This is normal, and this is flat. See, this is flat, this is violent. Check the quality. Let's see. See, and this is arrangement. Different variation. Flame shape, it's pointing right now. You can make it parallel. To the center, to the spread, and to oval, and to pointing. See, I make it spread. Another options are there. You can use it. I use it on different shape. This is burning kangaroo. Now I'm going to show you a bonfire. Let's take a new layer. I show you with pen tool. I don't want a shape tool. I just want a path tool because I want to apply flame on a path. Okay, pen tool, command, click outside, I'm going to create bonfire from these 3 paths. You can take as many as you want. Going to filter, render, flame. With this multiple 3 one-liners, I don't want this. With this one, I'm going to with 1 flame angle path. See now, increasing the width, little bit. I'm going to advance, and you can change complexity. So don't worry about this, because I'm using high configuration with the license version. Still, I got this error at least 3-4 times. Go to filter, render, flame. With this flame, I'm going to show you other options like 1 flame along with path and all other 5 options. Let's check 1 flame along with 5 path. See, these are going along with path. Single flame, decrease the amount with, just check. See, this is single. I'm going to advance. Look at this option. Options are same. You can make it normal, violent, or flat. Look at this flat. With this flat, you can make a logo kind of 2D effect. You can play with the lines complexity, or you can make it a little complex. Please comment me if you want to learn how to animate. Same thing, we go with multiple flames along path. Multiple flames, 1 flame with 1 along path. This is multiple flames along path. See, you have to careful about size of width and intervals. Allowing kind of effect. Show you the 4th one. Multiple flames, path directed. Length. Width. Before increasing width, and decrease the intervals, means you can check the path direction. Flame bottom alignment. See, the flame this side is steady kind of, and if I increase the flame bottom, is going very pointed. See? And this is flat, so I make it normal. Spread, parallel. You can check oval, right? Multiple flames, various angles. Angle again, same, which angle you want. flat, you can increase the complexity. This is multiple directed flip, and this is candlelight. This is the best effect for candles. See this, go to advanced, turbulence, jack, opacity, go to normal. Violent, normal, arrangement, whatever you like it. You can save these presets for future purpose. Make it candle. I make this one, convert to smart object, blending option, go to outer glow, go to flame option, okay, lighten, and this one is 0. Orange, little darker, okay, and spread little lower, and noise is also little lower. Opacity you can increase. Okay, now you can check. Looks like all fire logo. See, now I have created all these kind of effects with and without. Below you can check. See, now kangaroo. All these fire effects you can make it and use in your projects. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn animation on fire, just comment on this video. Thank you.